Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today we are going to look into the Reliance equity and future strategy. Friends, this is not something new, but this is the strategy which I keep telling everyone who start trading to please follow, because this is one among the most successful strategy, and many of you who have quit this strategy in halfway, you can just see today. I'll just show you all those who have followed in 2019 this particular strategy, how much of results they have made, how much of profits they have made, and also how beautiful this strategy and how simple this strategy is. Okay, so all this data will be available to you in this particular video, so stay tuned till end of the video, and I'll be giving full updates. I'll also be showing you once again what the strategy is all about, in case if you have not tried it. It's the most simplest and easiest and successful strategy we had in 2019. And also congratulations to all the winners who have followed it, and also all those who followed wanted me, and all those who wanted to start it off again also asked me to make a latest update on this video, and also with the latest Excel sheet. So that is why I'm making this particular video. And friends, it's the strategy which I'm recommending for all the beginners, so you can understand how easy it is and how important it is. One reason, because I told you it's an equity, so you can start trading with even 1000 rupees or 5000 rupees. The most starting amount which you can start trading also you can do in this particular strategy. Okay, so before going just forward, I want to give you a quick update about my ATF mentorship program. Friends, many of them keep asking me, so what is different in this, which particular strategy you're teaching in this. Friends, if at all you want strategy, then you can always watch my YouTube videos. There are lots and lots of strategies. But even after giving strategies, and even after following the same strategy which I am following, many are not able to trade and make success in stock market. The reason, because it's not only about the strategy which is required, it is also the money management and also the winning psychology. That is nothing but the trading discipline required in order to achieve success in stock market, which many are not able to achieve it. So in my mentorship program, I am basically teaching all these concepts about trading discipline and money management, and by using that, many are able to be success, many are able to achieve success. So in case if you need a mentor, you can always WhatsApp. You know my number, it's 8095 876525, and I'll be ready to help you. Friends, so in today's particular strategy, again, we are just going to follow the previous day resistance and the previous day support. It's very, very simple, and also it's for working people. So just you have to keep alarm at 9:15 or 9:14 just before the market starts. Just look into the previous day's resistance and support, and then just place your trade and leave nothing else to be done in this particular video, in this particular strategy, in fact. Okay. So as I have told you, just look into yesterday's high price and yesterday's low price, and we are going to buy at yesterday's high price, and we are going to sell at yesterday's low price. So basically you just have to keep two bracket orders, that is one at the high price and another at the sell price, and if one gets triggered, the other one you can close. And also the stop loss, how much you have to keep, that also I will mention to you, don't worry. And also there's a situation about gap up and gap down. So what I mean by gap up here is, if it is opening higher than yesterday's high price, then we call it as a gap. So in that situation, what will we do is, we will sell below. In case if the price comes down below yesterday's high price, we will be sell at the yesterday's high price. So what do you mean by gap down? So if the market opens lesser than yesterday's low price, we call it as a gap down, and then we will be buying at yesterday's low price. So this is the trade entries which you're going to take. Very, very simple. So as soon as the market opens, just look into the present price, keep your trade, and then just leave, nothing else. And friends, this strategy can be used by my ATF membership students as well, only after you have completed 6 months of your training program. So till 6 months, please follow the same candle breakout strategy which I have given to you, because I have to track what you're doing. But after that, you're free to use any strategy. So you can use this particular strategy, you can do the required modification for your money management, and then everything else remains the same. So the stop loss, friends, 10 points is fair enough, decent enough. I have done testing for a long time. I have done trading also for a long time, and I feel that 10 points is sufficient enough, and you don't have to keep targets. Just make the targets run and book your profits at 315. Make sure that you, if it's a bracket order, so that it only enters at the prescribed required level, not before that. Okay. So when it comes to your fund requirement, you can buy one share of equity with 200 rupees. So accordingly, you can plan it. So I'll just show you the Excel so that you'll get a better understanding about the strategy. So let's say friends, 1st Jan is already completed, and 2nd Jan when you are going to trade, you saw that the market has opened at 1115. Yes, so we are just going to buy at the previous day high. Okay, so you can see the previous day high is in decimal points, it has missed. It is 1127.3, but it has only reached 1127. So the high price has not been broken. We have kept a buy at a high price, so it has not broken. But whereas you can see we have kept a sell at the low price as well. Okay, so after opening at 1115, there will be a lot of time, so don't panic. You don't have to enter immediately at the open price. You can keep a sell price at 1110. So you can see that after it has opened, it has come down, it has triggered this 110, and it has gone till 111, 101 also. That means almost 9 points profit. But since we are almost waiting till end of the day, you can see end of the day it has closed at 1106.4, thereby giving a profit of 3.7 points. Friends, very simple, very easy. I'll explain to you one more example, you'll understand clearly. Let us say 3rd Jan market has opened at 1108. You can see it has not crossed the previous day high price. It has only gone till 1115, but it has broken our low price of 1101 and gone down till 1090, whereas the market has closed at 1092 and thereby giving us a profit of 8.25. It's an excellent and easy strategy, friends. So the overall points I'll just show you. The 626 points which we achieved in the in the year 2019. Total points is 619. Okay, so let us say worst to worst case, you only got 300 points. Worst to worst case. So even with 300 points, if you're trading with one lot of futures, yeah, 1,50,000 rupees by trading with a capital of 1 lakh. So this is just an example taken of futures. So okay, so with the investment of 1 lakh, we are almost able to make 1,50,000. And friends, it did not require any complicity or did not require any tension of that sort, but only challenge which it had where there were times when there were continuous 3 and 4 losses, but only the people, those who stayed tuned and who were able to overcome that, only were able to make money in this particular strategy. So I would say that almost 20% of them who started off with this strategy were able to complete it successfully. Others quit when they saw the continuous losses happening. Okay, this is a fact. This is what is happening with everyone. So this is the reason I'm saying again, don't quit a particular strategy and don't come to a conclusion just because you have continuous 4 or 5 losses. And always stay tuned to the strategy for a long time. You will find the difference. So just want to summarize. Keep alarm at 9:15 and then log into trading terminal and then place the order on the strategy based on the strategy, and then keep a loss of 10 points. It should be better a bracket order, and then close your trading terminal. So in case if you're not subscribed my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button. You'll be getting lots and lots of strategies, easy and simple strategies available in equity, options, indexes, commodities as well, and then lots of supports, trainings also provided. So don't miss this golden opportunity. And also, in case if you want this Excel file, you can always WhatsApp my number. You know, it's 8095876525. Friends, also don't forget to join Angel Broking or Upstock. I have provided the link in the description of this video. You'll be getting 50% discount on my mentorship programs, and also you'll be getting a chance to join my premium Telegram channel, and I'm also calling it as the Earn and Learn group, because during the trading days we earn out of it, and during the weekends we learn in this particular group. So in case if you want to join this group, you can always join Angel Broking or Upstock and just WhatsApp me with your ID, and I'll be giving you the link to join this particular channel. Okay friends, so thank you once again and have a nice day.